the Lord also has spoken with me now that if you will repent as a nation, then there is a revival. I've seen the flourishing of the revival. He took me to heaven today, just a few minutes ago. And the Lord, inside his throne room, he has given me the list of the tree of life. And I came back and I saw that in this land there was revival. And then cripples walk away. That means if you repent, I see these cripples walking away. I see the tremendous revival. So it is with other nations. If you will repent, the heavens are open. I see even floods. It's going to rain to the extent there are going to be floods in the dry areas, in the arid areas. Even floods will be there. That is the level of authority that is speaking with you. From when you're animals, there are carcasses who are littering everywhere. The smell of death everywhere. To now floods coming over there. In all the northern part of this country, the dry areas. That is the level of authority speaking with you. So you must repent.